Zero-emission operation, autonomous electric vehicles are a cleaner, greener solution for urban mobility. ### 4. Key benefits of autonomous electric vehicles, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. The integration of autonomous and electric technologies offers several benefits. Cost-effective, AEVs generally cost less to maintain than traditional vehicles. They have fewer moving parts, don't require oil changes, and benefit from low electricity costs compared to gasoline. Improved safety. Autonomous driving technology can drastically reduce accidents caused by human error. AI and sensors allow these cars to react faster than human drivers to emergencies. Convenience. With self-driving capabilities, passengers can use their time more efficiently during commutes. You can work, relax, or even sleep while the car drives you to your destination. Smoother, quieter ride. AEVs offer a smoother and quieter ride than traditional cars thanks to electric propulsion. The instant torque from the electric motor also ensures a responsive and enjoyable driving experience. These benefits make autonomous electric vehicles not just a cleaner, but a more practical and enjoyable choice for the future. ###5. The impact on urban mobility in cities, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Autonomous electric vehicles will have a significant impact on how cities and urban mobility evolve. Reduce traffic congestion. With V2X communication and autonomous driving, these vehicles can adjust their speed and routes to minimize congestion. This will lead to faster commutes and less traffic. Smart cities. Autonomous electric vehicles will play a central role in the development of smart cities. Connected infrastructure, like smart traffic lights and autonomous lanes, will optimize how people move within cities. Shared mobility. More people will likely use shared autonomous vehicles, reducing the need for individual car ownership and helping to alleviate parking problems and urban sprawl. AEVs will help shape smarter, more efficient and sustainable cities with a focus on shared mobility and optimized traffic flow. ###6. Charging infrastructure for autonomous electric vehicles, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. The success